This is Ashish. Let's see some common issues in communication management and how communication tracker can be used to address them like never before. These issues may be relevant to your organization today. Does any of the following apply to the people in your organization? Your productive time is wasted in searching past emails. You do not get the progress updates on the work you assign to someone. When someone new joins your team, it takes time to look up past emails and forward the right ones. You wish your mailbox had a way of neatly organizing your communications without wasting your time. You wish you got a neat daily or weekly status summary. When someone leaves your organization, you wonder if there were any important communications that were buried somewhere in his mailbox. The waste of productive time and opportunity loss could mean substantial hidden costs to your organization. The solution to these problems is to build and leverage your communication asset at a central location. Communication Tracker helps you do that. Instead of requesting someone to resend the past communication, one may just search this online repository. Individual mailboxes now become redundant. The communication is organized as the sender intended it to be, which eliminates the need for recipients to keep organizing their mailboxes individually. If the entire communication of an organization is stored in this central repository, then there is zero risk of losing important communication in one's mailbox when one is transferred or leaves the organization. Communication Tracker helps reduce the email traffic by allowing people to adjust their notification settings to receive only a single daily or weekly summary. Communication Tracker also saves bandwidth by not sending out attachments with email notifications. The communication is organized under various projects and user accesses are controlled at the project level. Only the account admin can create these projects and assign people to them. If a user has access to a project, then she has access to all the communication in that project. People collaborate on the projects without having to expose their email IDs, which reduces the risk of inviting spam. New users can be added to existing projects to give them instant access to all past communication. Communication Tracker lets the sender attach a red, yellow, or green dot to the message being sent. It captures the mood of the sender. Red stands for upset, yellow stands for potential problem, and green stands for all is well. This mood becomes a visual hint to the recipients without going through the message. The message mood is rolled up at a discussion level and is used for reporting the health of the individual projects. When discussions mature, they result in tasks. Communication Tracker supports task management so that work items are not dropped or forgotten. Like discussions, tasks are also maintained under projects. Communication Tracker emails you daily or weekly reports based on your notification settings. They contain the task updates, discussion updates, and open tasks. In most circumstances, these reports are sufficient as the work reports, saving preparation of such reports manually. Communication Tracker extracts useful information from the communication storage. The dashboard view gives valuable insights about the health and progress of various projects. My Tasks view gathers from across all projects the tasks waiting on oneself and those assigned by one which could be pending on others. The calendar view and communication report are useful to monitor the history of communication. Communication Tracker can be used to add security and fault tolerance to your communication. Finally, Communication Tracker is very easy to use and integrates with all email systems. We have been using it on live engagements for over 2 years and no one ever asked for its user manual. Communication Tracker may be used either on a hosted instance or a separate instance may be created and managed for you. A simple way to evaluate it without needing any installation or commercials upfront is to use the 1-minute sign-up. Your account will be created on the hosted instance and your login credentials will be emailed to you right away. By default, you become the account admin for this account and you can add projects and other people to it. To estimate the present hidden costs and the potential savings for your organization, use the savings calculator. Thank you and have a nice day.